Hey guys, I'm Rasheed Philips, and welcome to Smoke Sessions. I've partnered with my amazing friends Kingsford, Masterbuilt, and the Home Depot to bring you some techniques to help you master your flavor. Today, we're going to go over braising. We're going to braise an amazing Chipotle Chicken Dip. Let's get to it. Now, to braise, all that really means is we're going to put our meats into some sort of a vessel. Today, we're going to be using boneless chicken breast. And for our rub, because it is a Chipotle rub, you can start off with a base of Chipotle powder and expand out from there. Now, we're going to add some braising liquid, a few knobs of butter, and get this onto the grill. Get our cast iron on, wrap it tightly, tinfoil. And I like to leave the seeds in my jalapenos because I like that heat. If you don't, take them out. All right, jalapenos are done. Let's get our chicken off the smoker. We save those juices so we can add it back to our mixture to get it nice and smooth. Using 2 forks to shred apart, should be nice and easy. Start adding in nice dollops of our cream cheese. Add in our jalapenos. Now it's time for my favorite part of the cook, the taste test. Smooth, creamy. The seeds and the heat from the jalapeno still shine through. Chipotle flavor, the smoky and charred taste from our Kingsford charcoal. I love it. Flavorful dish, very simple to make. Make sure you head on over to the Home Depot, visit our friends, grab yourself a bag of Kingsford charcoal and a nice Gravity Series 1050, and get to cooking. See you guys next week.